Good morning, guys. It's H though. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, we are just cooking up some food because I'm starving. I'm gonna have some chicken fries again. So that's pretty cool. Exciting. What we're gonna do, and then I'm gonna possibly make some shepherd's pie tonight, so I can take some to work all this week. Sorry. This is really difficult with one hand. There you go. I think I got all of it. Let's see what other things in the fridge. We can use some stuff up there too. But that's what we're gonna have, some chicken fries for the time being. So finish that up a little bit. So that's what we're gonna have, some chicken fries. Good old chicken fries. I'm so hyper a little bit. But right now, you guys, I'm just gonna edit a video. So I'll talk to you guys when the chicken fries when I'm editing a video. So talk to you guys then.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Walking with my dad today, you guys. Yeah, we are walking with my dad again. So we're going rapid trail today. So that's exciting, you guys. So talk to you guys when we're done. So right now, you guys, we are making some chocolate milk. I mean, not chocolate milk, sorry. Strawberry milk, you guys. Yes, we are making some strawberry milk, guys. We always get this, you guys, because we love strawberry milk. It's so expensive to buy the original kind. But this quick is really good. It's really awesome, you guys, and really cool that we are gonna make some strawberry milk. So I'm just gonna put some milk in here and then start together. But it's always good to have some chocolate milk inside your body, because if you don't have chocolate milk, then how are you gonna do it? And then you start it together. This is how you make strawberry milk. The cheapest way. Actually, it's not that cheap, but lasts you a lot longer than the other stuff that you get in the cartons. Nice and refreshing. But comment down below if you guys like what you guys see here. And I'm gonna make some probably shepherd's pie probably when I get home, you guys. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna clean the bathtub right now, you guys. So I will talk to you guys when I am cleaning the bathtub. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So I'll talk to you guys when I go. When I'm heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys then. I just got home and I'm making some shepherd's pie, you guys. Yes, I'm making some shepherd's pie. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. It's gonna be so good, you guys. So that's what I'm making, some shepherd's pie. So, oh yeah, I've got the potato. Let's see. Totally forgot to get the potatoes. So that's why I'm making shepherd's pie. So I will talk to you guys when I'm making shepherd's pie. The finished touch, you guys, look so good, you guys. I'm gonna have some rich for supper. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.